Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman-American YouTube channel. And we're going to revisit Stratford, Ontario from 1996. Here's what it looked like from the air. And here was your convention chair, Glenn Hadley, giving out awards that he made because he redid a bathroom. So he used the wood and the marble and some labels, and he made trophies. And then here's Nita Blondell doing the Broken Toe Bar competition, which is a perennial favorite. So stay tuned for some more Stratford fun, folks.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now here was the airplane that took Best in Show for its paint job and everything else, and so there was a lot of photographs of it in the air. And then here it will be flying over the convention site at Stratford, Ontario. Again, this was from 1996, and we had a good time. And we're going to go through some more of the pictures for you. Of course, there were always the seminars, and here's Ken Blackman giving his take on how things are going in the Grumman world. And then we also had a lot of shots of what went on with the sales and everything of running the convention. And here people are paying their dues, picking up their shirts, finding out their meal tickets, and all the other fun stuff. And of course, then there's always the perennial fun games. Here's the precision taxi, where you try to hit the broken eggs, and that came to the group in 1996. And then here's Mark Matthews and Greg and me sitting in an airplane, thinking, gee, I wish I could have something like this. And we went on a tour of an airplane plant that year. And then here's a lot of the fun kids that we had there. My daughter on the very right, Margot. In the background, you'll see Guy and Heidi Warner sitting there. And again, kids had a great time there. Our guest speaker that evening up in Stratford, Ontario, here he is. Don't remember his name, but we have a picture of him nonetheless. And then here is your convention chair and your president, Sharon Spence. And I followed Sharon Spence into the presidency 2 years later. But we had a lot of fun time at that convention. And as you can see here, here is the cockpit cool course that Fred Cocosta did every year. And there's Billy Crumpton in the background. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we close out with this picture of a couple by their beautiful cheetah, we hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a fun day with your Grumman, folks.